Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking. Before you invest in anything, it's important to take a step back and look at what your investing goals are. A great real estate syndication deal that might work for me might not be best for you depending on what your goals are. For example, maybe one of your goals is to eventually be able to quit your job and to have the income from these passive investments to be able to cover your salary. So in that case, your goals might be to create a lot of cash flow. On the flip side, maybe you're looking for appreciation instead and you're willing to wait a little while. So in that case, you might be looking for value add deals where you're able to build up some of that equity. For many people, you're probably looking for a mixture of both, and that's exactly what we like to invest in, are those hybrid deals that give you good cash flow but also have the potential for that value add, for that equity, for that appreciation. It's important to know exactly what you're hoping to get out of an investment so that when you're looking through those investment summaries, you know exactly what you're looking for. So you're not swayed by the pretty pictures and the promising numbers and you say, you know what, I can compromise. I like this deal because it's got pretty colors. No, you've got to know what you want so that when you see, this one's got low cash flow, that's not going to work for me, then you know exactly why you're saying yes or no to a deal. So make sure to take some time to step back and to think about what you're hoping to get out of these investments. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, have a sunny side up day.